Welcome! This is a product overview of ComplianceForge's CMMC Bundle 2, covering levels 1 and 2, aligned to the NIST 853 Revision 5 Moderate Baseline. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through what it is, what problems it solves, exactly which 5 products are included, and how it compares to writing this documentation yourself. The CMMC Bundle 2 includes 5 ComplianceForge products focused on operationalizing NIST 853 Revision 5 at the low and moderate baselines. That is the policies and standards for NIST 853 Moderate, the matching procedures, the Integrated Incident Response Program, the CSCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan, and the NIST 800-171 System Security Plan template. If a DIBCAC or CMMC third-party assessor asked to see your full NIST 800-171 and CMMC Level 2 documentation today, could you hand it over? Or would you be writing policies and procedures under deadline? The CMMC Bundle 2 gives you a coordinated NIST 853 moderate-aligned set of editable templates that cover levels 1 and 2 end-to-end. So your team tailors rather than authors and starts roughly 80 to 90% of the way there. It is designed for organizations that need to comply with CMMC 2.0 Level 2 and NIST 800-171 and prefer their documentation aligned with the NIST 853 Revision 5 Moderate Baseline. The 5 products together provide the policies, standards, procedures, and supporting plans expected by DIBCAC and third-party assessors. ComplianceForge's NIST 800-171 and CMMC documentation has been used successfully by multiple companies during DIBCAC assessments to demonstrate compliance with NIST 800-171 controls and NIST 800-171A control objectives. This battle-tested content includes policies, standards, procedures, the system security plan, the plan of action and milestones, the incident response plan, and other documentation expected to pass third-party assessments. So what exactly is the CMMC Bundle 2? Here are the 5 products that make up the bundle. ComplianceForge gets the question a lot. Do I buy the NCP or CMMC Bundle 2 to address CMMC 2.0 Level 2? It really comes down to your other compliance needs, since both equally cover CMMC Levels 1 and 2 and NIST 800-171 requirements. The NCP is a pared-down version of the Digital Security Program, designed to just address NIST 800-171 and CMMC in the most efficient manner possible. It is a better option for companies that only need to address those two, and it is as close to the easy button as ComplianceForge has. The CMMC Bundle 2 is aligned with NIST 853 at the low and moderate baselines, so it is ideal for an organization that wants to align its policies and standards directly with NIST 853. It is the better option for companies that speak NIST 853 for other compliance requirements, like FedRAMP, HIPAA, or the Risk Management Framework, but need specific coverage for NIST 800-171 and CMMC. The bundle combines 5 individual products into a single, coordinated documentation set. Each product remains independently licensed, but the components are designed to work together and reference a common control framework, so they present one consistent program, rather than a stack of disconnected templates. Rather than starting from a blank page across multiple documentation areas, the bundle provides a professionally written baseline for every product. Customization effort is concentrated on tailoring, not on writing. This bundle is a one-time purchase of editable Microsoft Office-based documentation templates. There is no software to install, no agent to deploy, no account to provision, and no cloud environment to configure. If your organization can open and edit Microsoft Word or Excel files, or compatible tools like OpenOffice and Google Workspace, you can use every product in this bundle. Everything is delivered as fully editable Word and Excel files, compatible with Word 2016 and newer, Microsoft 365, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Google Docs and Sheets. All documents in the bundle are delivered via email download link within 1 to 2 business days of purchase. There is no installer, no license server, and no activation step. And it is a one-time purchase. A single entity license is included, and the bundle price is a one-time charge, although optional update subscriptions are available for individual products as frameworks evolve. This deployment model is intentional. Cybersecurity documentation benefits from being in your organization's own hands, inside your own version control and document management systems, rather than locked inside a vendor's SaaS tool. Once delivered, every document in this bundle belongs to you. Organizations face a common pattern when building cybersecurity documentation. Individual products solve individual problems, but real programs need multiple documentation layers working together. The bundle is designed to fill that gap. The first problem is scattered documentation. Individual products like policies, procedures, and risk programs need to work together. The bundle provides coordinated documentation sets that reference each other correctly. The second is the need for a faster program stand-up. Standing up a cybersecurity program requires documentation across multiple domains. The bundle covers multiple domains at once, compressing those timelines. And the third is audit completeness. Audits and customer questionnaires typically ask for documentation across multiple domains. The bundle ensures no gaps in the documentation set that auditors review. The bundle addresses multi-domain documentation challenges with a pre-assembled, coordinated set of products at a discount. The first is coordinated content. Every product was designed by ComplianceForge to work together. Cross-references between products are consistent, and no conflicting guidance exists across documents. The second is audit defensible documentation. Every document is written to withstand scrutiny by external assessors, mapped to leading frameworks, with footnoted references throughout. And the third is same-day delivery. ComplianceForge processes most orders the same business day. Expect delivery within 1 to 2 business days of purchase, with all products arriving together. So what do you actually receive? The bundle includes 5 ComplianceForge products, delivered together at a discount. Each is a complete, standalone deliverable. The first is the Policies and Standards for NIST 853 Revision 5 Moderate. This version of the Cybersecurity and Data Protection Program contains cybersecurity policies and standards that align with NIST 853, including NIST 800-171 and CMMC requirements. The second is the Matching Procedures. This version of the Cybersecurity Standardized Operating Procedures contains the procedures that align with NIST 853. The third is the Integrated Incident Response Program, which addresses program-level guidance on how to actually manage incident response operations, including forensics and reporting. The fourth is the CSCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan, intended to operationalize a supply chain risk management program that can enforce security across your service providers, vendors, and contractors, aligned with NIST 800-161 Revision 1. And the fifth is the NIST 800-171 System Security Plan Template, the living document that captures pertinent information on controls implementation, covering all CUI and non-federal organization controls. Now compare that against the 2 alternatives for obtaining quality cybersecurity documentation. For your internal staff to generate comparable documentation, it would take them an estimated 1,700 internal staff work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $164,250 in staff-related expenses. That is about 15 to 24 months of development time, where your staff would be diverted from other work. If you hire a consultant to generate this documentation, it would take them an estimated 1,100 contractor work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $377,750. That is about 9 to 12 months of development time for a contractor to provide you with the deliverable. The CMMC Bundle 2 is approximately 6% of the cost for your internal staff and approximately 3% of the cost for an external consultant to generate equivalent documentation. The bundle itself is $10,530. So how much work is left for you? ComplianceForge aims for approximately an 80 to 90% solution because it is impossible to write a 100% cookie-cutter document that can be equally applied across every organization. ComplianceForge did the heavy lifting, and the remaining work is fine-tuning the bundle with the specific information that only your organization knows. In practice, customization across all products is essentially filling in the blanks. Adding your company name and logo, which is applied automatically to every document in the bundle. Tailoring parameters such as review cadences and thresholds. Naming specific owner roles. And removing sections that do not apply to your organization. If you want a hand, ComplianceForge offers optional professional services. They are not required to customize ComplianceForge documentation. The 5-hour bundle may be beneficial for companies that need some guidance on getting started with how to tailor their documentation. The 10-hour bundle is for companies that need additional guidance on tailoring their documentation to meet their compliance requirements. And the 20-hour bundle is for companies that need robust services beyond just 10 hours to assist in tailoring their documentation. Purchased professional service hours expire 120 days, or 4 months, from the time of purchase if unused. Hours are intended to supplement, not replace, your own customization work. There are more reasons to buy. In the downloadable CMMC Requirements Mapping Matrix, you can see how all CMMC Level 1, 2, and 3 requirements are supported by the NIST 853 low and moderate baseline version of the Cybersecurity and Data Protection Program. To read more, click on the image and it will direct you to the CMMC Center of Awesomeness. You can also access it directly at circammc-circaode.com. One last thing. The CMMC Bundle 2 covers the most common configuration, but every organization's needs are different. ComplianceForge will build a custom bundle for any combination of products if your requirements differ from the standard bundles. To request a custom bundle quote, contact ComplianceForge directly with a list of the products you need and your timeline. Custom bundles typically receive comparable discount pricing to the standard bundles. If you have any questions, please email support@complianceforge.com or call 1-307-241-8740. We've been helping organizations since 2005, and we are always happy to help.